felt difficulties in learning phonetics? Have you ever been fed up with these terms? Phonemes, diphthongs, vowels, consonants, transcription, and blah blah blah. No more worries. Here in this video, you're going to learn the simple and easy tricks to remember the different sounds in English language. First, let me tell you what phonetics is. The term phonetics is derived from the Greek word phone, which means sound or voice. Phonetics is just the study of sounds made by humans. Someone who is expert in phonetics is called phonetician. Do you know who is considered as the father of phonetics? Yes, Daniel Jones is known as the father of phonetics. He was working as a professor of phonetics in London. You all know that there are 26 letters in English alphabets, in which we have 5 vowels and 21 consonants. But in the case of sounds in English language, we have approximately 44 different speech sounds, in which we have 20 vowels and 24 consonants. In order to represent these basic sounds, the linguist, that is, a person who studies language, use a set of phonetic symbols which is called IPA, that is, International Phonetic Alphabet. As I said now, the 44 speech sounds, which is called 44 phonemes, is splitted into 20 vowels and 24 consonants. This 20 vowels is further divided into 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs. Monophthongs are nothing but single vowel sounds, whereas the diphthongs are the combination of 2 vowel sounds. Now, you are seeing the phonetic chart displaying the symbols of 44 phonemes. There are 3 sections in this chart. The 20 vowels are in green and red, in which the single vowel sounds, that is, 12 monophthongs are in green and 8 diphthongs are in red, and finally the 24 consonants are in blue. At first, let me tell you the tricks to remember the sounds of 12 monophthongs, that is, the single vowel sounds. The first one is E. This sound is produced when you say cheese while taking selfies. You can visualize the smiling face here by rotating the symbol to your right side so that you can relate the symbol with its sound. This phoneme is like the sound of a Tamil letter E. Next is E, as in the word ship. You can see the symbol E in the picture of a ship. This phoneme is like the sound of a Tamil letter E. Next is U, as in the word bull. You can visualize the symbol like the face of a bull. It sounds like a Tamil letter U. Next is U. When you rotate the symbol to your right side, it expresses your mood for food. This phoneme sounds like a Tamil letter oo. Next is A, as in the word pet. It sounds like a Tamil letter A. Next is A. You can visualize the symbol in the confused face of a person. It sounds like A that you express when you suddenly get a doubt. This phoneme is like a sound of a Tamil letter A, but only half of its sound, that is, A, matches with this phoneme. Next is Ir, as in the word tired. It sounds like a Tamil letter Ir. Next is O, as in the word sword. As you observe here, the letter O sounds like a Tamil letter O. Next is A, as in the word ambulance. It sounds like an alphabet A. Next is A, as in the word up. You can relate by seeing this symbol in the upward arrow mark. This phoneme is similar to a sound of a Tamil letter A. Next is A. You can express this sound when the dentist asks you to open your mouth A. It sounds like a Tamil letter A. Next is O, as in the word body. As you observe here, the letter O sounds like a Tamil letter O. Hope you are clear in the sounds and symbols of these 12 monophthongs. Next, let us learn the symbols of 8 diphthongs, that is, the combination of 2 vowel sounds. Consider a curious boy named David. His ear sounds like a phoneme ear and the Tamil letters E-A. Next is Yua, as in the word curious, and it's similar to a Tamil letter Yua. His air sounds like a phoneme air and the Tamil letter air. Next is A, as in the word David. It sounds like a Tamil letter A. Next is Oi, as in the word boy. This phoneme sounds like a Tamil letter Oi. His eyes sounds like a phoneme I. This phoneme is similar to a Tamil letter Oi. His nose sounds like a phoneme O. This phoneme is similar to a Tamil letter O. His mouth sounds like a phoneme Ow. This phoneme is similar to a Tamil letter Ow. And finally, the consonant sounds are P, B, T, D. Next is itch, as in the word chair. It sounds like itch sound similar to a Tamil letter itch. Next is idge, as in the word jam. It sounds like a Tamil letter idge. Next, the phoneme K is written for the letter C, and it sounds like a Tamil letter K. Next, G, F, V. Next consonant is it. As in the word think. It sounds like a Tamil letter, it. Next is th. As in the word this. It sounds like a Tamil letter, it. The difference between these both is it is voiceless consonant, it, whereas it is voiced consonant, it. That is, the stress is given here. Next, s, z. Next is sh. As in the word ocean. It sounds like ish sound, similar to a Tamil letter sh sound. Next is sh, as in the word television. This phoneme sound is similar to a Tamil letter sha. Next, n. Next is ing, as in the word tongue. It sounds like ing sound, which is similar to a Tamil letter ing. Next, ha, l, r, wa. And at last, ya. And this is also written as the phoneme for the letter Y. Let us now try out transcribing the words one by one using all these 44 phonemes. For T, the answer is slash t e slash. The letters E, A in the word T matches with the vowel sound E since it produces a sound E. Its transcription is slash t e slash. As you notice here, the phonetics are usually represented within the slashes. Next, for the word did, the answer is slash d e d. The letter I in the word did matches with the vowel sound E. Since it produces E sound, its transcription is slash d e d slash. Next, for put, the answer is slash p u t slash. As a letter U in the word put matches with the vowel U since it produces a sound U. Its transcription is slash p u t slash. Next, for zoo, the answer is slash z u slash. As the letters o in the word zoo matches with the vowel oo since it produces a sound oo. Its transcription is slash z oo slash. Next, the answer for went is slash w a n t slash. As a letter E in the word went matches with the vowel a. Since it produces a sound a, its transcription is slash w a n t slash. Next, the answer for the is the a. As the letters th in the word the matches with the voiced consonant it and the letter e matches with the vowel a since it produces half of a sound. Its transcription is slash id a slash. Next, the answer for bird is slash b d slash. As the letters I, R in the word bird matches with the vowel ir. Since it produces a sound ir, its transcription is slash b ir d slash. Next, the answer for born is slash o slash. As a letter O in the word born matches with the vowel O. Since the letter here O produces O sound, its transcription is slash b o slash. Next, the answer for cat is slash k a t slash. As a letter a in the word cat matches with the vowel a, since it produces a sound of alphabet a, and for the letter C, the phoneme is k. Its transcription is slash k a t slash. Next, the answer for cup is slash k a p slash. As the letter U in the word cup matches with the vowel a, since it produces a sound, its transcription is slash k a p slash. Next, the answer for car is k a r. As the letter A in the word car matches with the vowel a, since it produces a sound of a, its transcription is slash k a r slash. Next, the answer for got is slash g a t slash. As the letter O in the word got matches with the vowel O. Since the letter O produces O sound, its transcription is slash g a t slash. Next, the answer for beer is slash ear slash. As the letters E in the word beer matches with the diphthong ear. Since the word is similar to the word ear, its transcription is slash ear slash. Next, the answer for furious is slash fewer ear s. As the letter U produces YU sound, so the phoneme for Y is Y, and the letter UR and IO matches with the diphthongs UA and ear. Its transcription is slash f y u ear is slash. The answers for care, chain, noise, fine, go, now, or. As you notice here in the word care, the letter C changed to its phoneme K, and the letters A, R, E matches with the sound of a word hair. So we use the diphthong ear. In the word chain, the ich sound is changed to its phoneme ich, and the letters AI produces a sound of diphthongs A as it matches with the sound A. Hence its transcription is slash ich a slash. Next is noise. The letters OI produces a sound of diphthongs OI as it matches with the sound OI, and the letter is produces is sound. Its transcription is slash I is slash. Next is fine. The letter I produces a sound of diphthongs I as it matches with the sound I. Hence its transcription is slash if I in slash. Next, for the word go, the letter O produces a sound of diphthongs O. As it matches with the sound O, its transcription is slash g o slash. Next is now. The letters OW produces a sound of diphthongs ow. As it matches with the sound ow, its transcription is slash ow slash. Next, the answer for thick is slash it k slash. As the letter th matches with the voiceless consonant t, and the letter I produces a sound e, its transcription is slash it k slash. The answer for the word sang is slash ing slash. Here the letter A matches with the vowel a as it produces the alphabet a sound, and the letters ng changed to its phoneme ing. Since it sounds like a Tamil letter ing, its transcription is slash ing slash. The answer for judge is slash ij slash. The letters J and ij produce ij sound, so we use the consonant ij, and the letter U matches with the vowel a since it produces a sound. Next, the answer for shoe is slash sh slash. The sound of a letter sh matches with the consonant ish, and the letter oe produces oo sound and matches with the vowel oo. The answer for vision is slash n. The letter I produces e sound and matches with the vowel e, and the letter si matches with the consonant sh. And finally, the answer for the word q is slash k u slash. The letters q sounds like kyu. Its phoneme k and u are used, and the letters ue produces oo sound and matches with the vowel oo. Its transcription is slash k u slash. As you are thorough with these tricks to remember the symbols and sounds of 44 phonemes, you can easily transcribe any of the words in English language. Thank you.